Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be telling you guys on how you can earn money via Amazon. Now there are multiple ways you can earn money. First, you can be a vendor on Amazon. Basically, a vendor is someone like this. So this product, if I buy it, it's going to get shipped by Amazon, but the product is being sold by Bella Blue. Now this is another company that is using Amazon as their, store. So yeah, we're ordering via Amazon, which is why we get the Amazon ordering benefits such as, the cashback and all that. But the main seller, the main money goes to Bella Blue. Now, the other way you can earn money over here, as you can see, this is sold by Amazon. So Amazon, they're their own vendor. But over here, there are multiple other ways as well. You can sell whole goods, or you can be a delivery person on Amazon. So as you know, Amazon does make deliveries and someone's gonna make those deliveries, right? So they do hire a lot of people that are basically Amazon delivery men. That's another way you can also earn from Amazon. So these are one of the most simplest way of earning from Amazon. There are a few other ways, but those are very complex and you might, those are harder to do. But I would suggest if you want to earn from Amazon, the best option for anyone is either become a vendor that uses Amazon as their storefront, or become one of the delivery person that is gonna get a hourly wage from Amazon themselves. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.